students, welcome to another lecture of the chapter Retirement of a Partner. So in last lecture we studied calculation of new profit sharing ratio, right? So first case was when no information is given apart from just the old ratios of the partners and it is being given that one of the partners is retiring. That's it. No other information is given. Then we assume that the continuing partners take the share of retiring partner in their old ratio only, right? So new ratio by default comes to be same as the old ratio. Clear? Once again, what happens? See, if there are three partners A, B and C and one of the partner C is retiring, so his share will be obviously taken by A and B or any of the one partner. But if no information is given that in which ratio the retiring partner's share is being taken by the continuing partners, then we assume that the continuing partners take the share of retiring partner in their old ratio only. So by default, the old or new ratio comes to be same as the old ratio, right? And also gaining ratio comes to be same as the old ratio. Clear? Come on, see, let's see question number 5th. A, B and C. So we are solving question number 5, 6, 7, 8 today of homework section of study material. A, B and C were partners sharing profits in the ratio 3:2:1. Find the gaining ratio when A retires, B retires and C retires. Okay, so one by one we'll be doing it. Yes, so we are doing solution number 5th. Clear? First of all, A retires, right? So if A retires, so we assume that A's share, that is 3/6, is taken by B and C in their old ratio only. So gaining ratio of B is to C will be just, you need to strike off A. A is retiring, so just strike off A share. So remaining share is 2:1. So gaining ratio between B and C will be 2:1. Clear, everyone? Understood? Come on. Second one is B retires, right? So B retires. So gaining ratio between or of A is to C, right? So let's go to question. So B retires, so strike off his share. His share, that is 2/6, will be taken by A and C in their old ratio only. Means A and C will gain in their old ratio, right? That is 3:1. Clear, everyone? Come on. C is when C retires. So gaining ratio of A is to B, right? So C retires, so let's strike off the C's share in the question. So remaining share, that means C's share 1/6 will be taken by A and B in their, come on, old ratio only. That means A and B will be gaining in their old ratio only, that is 3:2. Clear, everyone? Understood? If no information is given, then the gaining ratio will be same as the old ratio of the continuing partners. Clear? Come on, let's solve question number 6. Let's read it. Ram, Manohar and Jashna are partners sharing profits in the ratio 1/2, 3/10 and 1/5. Mohan retires from the firm and Ram and Jashna agree to share future profits in the ratio 3:2. So now in this question, old share between Ram, Manohar and Jashna is also given and new ratio between who retires? Manohar retires, right? So Ram and Jashna new share is also given 3:2. Calculate gaining ratio. So here one extra information is given, that is new ratio of continuing partners is also given. So in this case, if we need to calculate gaining ratio, what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to apply the formula, right? But first of all, let's bring the old ratio of Ram, Manohar and Jashna in common denominator format, right? Old ratio of Ram is to Manohar is to Jashna will be, Jashna is equal to, come on, just I have, Jashan is equal to 1/2 was there, so LCM will be common 10. So 1/2 into 5/5, right? That is, it will be 5/10 is 2. Come on. Next one was which one? 3/10. So it will be 3/10 only. And the third one, that is Jashna share, was 1/5. So numerator and denominator will be multiplied by 2. So that comes how much? That is 2/10. Clear? So it is 5 by 10 is to 3 by 10 is to 2 by 10. That is 5 is to 3 is to 2. Clear? This is the old ratio. New ratio is also given. New ratio of, yes, who retires? I guess Manohar retires. So Ram is to Jashn. Ram is to Jashn is equal to, yes, new ratio is given and that is 3 is to 2. They are same. Clear? Come on, we need to find out the gaining ratio. So gaining ratio is a ratio in which the continuing partners take the share of the retiring partner. So Manohar retires. So now gaining ratio formula will be new ratio minus old ratio. You remember in admission we used to find out sacrificing ratio, that is old minus new, and if negative used to come, so we used to consider that partner is also gaining, right? Here gaining ratio direct formula, new ratio minus old ratio. Clear? So first we are calculating for Ram. So Ram's old share was 5 is to 3 is to 2, that is 5 by, sorry, Ram's new share is 3 by 5, right? This is 3 by 5 minus old share was 5 by 10. Got it? Old share was 5 is to 3 is to 2, so 5 by 10. So LCM comes to 10, 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6 minus 5, that is 1 by 10. Clear everyone, Ram? Now Manohar retires, last one left continuing partner is Jashn. So for Jashn, new ratio is 2 by 5 minus 2 by, old ratio was 2 by 10. Clear? So 10 LCM, 5 2s are 10, so 2 2s are 4 minus 2, that is 2 by 10. Clear? So gaining ratio of Ram is to Jashn is equal to 1 is to 2. Clear everyone, understood? So when old share is also given, new ratio is also given. So how to calculate gaining ratio? Formula is, come on, just now we studied gaining ratio formula is new ratio minus old ratio. Clear everyone? Understood? So in question number 5, no information was there. So we assume old share to be the gaining share. In question number 6, old ratio was also given. New ratio of continuing partners is also given. So gaining ratio is new ratio minus old ratio. Clear? Come on, let's do question number 7. Chani, Manni and Amar were partners sharing profits in ratio 4 is to 3 is to 2. Okay. Amar retired from the firm. Channi took 4/9 of Amar's share and balance was taken by Manni. Calculate new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. Come on, this is very good question. Let's do this. So first of all, we are doing solution number 7. Right. So old ratio of Channi, Manni and Amar. Right. Channi, Manni. Channi is to Manni is to Amar. Yes. Channi, Manni is to Amar is given in the question. How much old ratio is given? Old ratio given is 4 is to 3 is to 2. So 4 is to 3 is to 2. Clear? Got it? Now who retires? Amar retires. Amar retires, right? Okay. Now what is given in the question next? That Channi took 4/9 of Amar's share. So Channi's gain. Channi's gain is 4/9 of Amar's share. So Amar's share was 2 by 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 by 9. Clear? So Channi's gain is, Channi took, that means Channi's gain is 4/9 of Amar's share. Of means multiply. So 4/9 of Amar's share is 2 by 9. Clear? So it's 4 2s are 8, 9 9s are 81. This is Channi's gain. Clear? Now, what will be Manni's gain? Let's see. Now, what is given in the question? Manni gains the remaining. Rest is taken by Manni. So, total Amar's share was 2 by 9 minus Channi ने कितना ले लिया? 8 by 81. तो मनी का गेन हो जाएगा रिमेनिंग वाला. वंस अगेन मनी का अगर हमें गेन निकालना है तो हम कैसे निकालेंगे? टोटल ऑफ अमर्स शेयर total of Amar's share, right, minus, right, जितना अमर का शेयर था माइनस छन्नी ने जितना ले लिया, बचा हुआ किसको मिलेगा? मनी को. छन्नी's gain we subtract. Now total of Amar's share was 2 by 9 minus, right? Chhanni's gain is 8 by 81. Clear? Understood? So what we will do, just take the LCM. 81, 9 9s are 81. So 9 2s are 18 minus 8. That gives us 10 by 81. Clear? Once again, how Channi gains how much? Channi takes over. Means Channi's gain is 4 by 9th of Amar's share. So 4 by 9th of Amar's share. Amar's share is 2 by 9. So that is 8 by 81. Now Mani takes remaining of the Amar's share. So total of Amar's share was 2 by 9 as per question. माइनस छन्नी ने जितना ले लिया वो माइनस कर दो तो बचा हुआ रिमेनिंग मनी ले लेगा. तो 81 LCM 9 9 is 81, 9 2 is 18 minus 8, that is 10 by 81. So gaining ratio of Channi is to Mani comes to be how much? Channi's gain is 8 by 81 is to Mani's gain is 10 by 81. Clear? That is 8 is to 10. We simplify it by cancelling by 2. 2 4s are 4 is to 5. This is our which ratio? Gaining ratio among Channi and Mani. Clear? Now new ratio, new profit sharing ratio we have to calculate. New ratio of first of all Channi. Clear? Now how much Channi का अगर न्यू शेयर निकालना है तो Channi is old शेयर, जितना Channi को पहले मिल रहा था ओल्ड शेयर प्लस शेयर टेकन ऑफ अमर, जितना अमर का ले लिया. Clear? So Channi's old share as per question is 4 by 9. 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yeah, 4 by 9. So 4 by 9 is Channi's old share plus how much it gets from gain कितना किया है? Come on, total of this Channi ने कितना gain किया? 8 by 81 gain किया है अमर से, right? So 8 by 81 gain किया, 81 LCM. 9 9s are 9 4s are 36 plus 8, 6 and 8 14, so 44 by 81 is Channi's new share. Now new ratio of Mani is equal to Mani's old share plus share gained from Amar. Clear everyone? Understood? जितना मनी का पुराना शेयर था, मनी का पुराना शेयर एज पर क्वेश्चन इज 3 by 9, राइट? सो 3 by 9 वॉज मनीज ओल्ड शेयर प्लस कितना गेन किया मनी ने? अभी हमने लिखा है मनीज गेन कैलकुलेट किया था, दैट इज 10 by 81. सो प्लस 10 by 81. So LCM we take 81, 9 9s are 9 3s are 27 plus 10, that is 37 by 81. So new ratio of Channi is to Mani, right? Is 44 by 81 is to 37 by 81, that is 44 is to 37. Clear everyone? Understood? Come on, let's see this question and see the solution again. Come on, as per question number 7, Channi Mani's and Amar's old share is 4 is to 3 is to 2. Clear? Now what happened? Amar retires and Channi took 4/9 of Amar's share. So let's see, Amar retired. So what was Amar's share? Amar's share was 2 by 9. So Channi takes 4/9 of. So it is written here 4/9 of Amar's share. Amar's share is 2 by 9. So it comes 4 2 is 8, 9 9 is 81. तो मनी का गेन कितना हुआ? मनी का गेन, अब ये तो छन्नी का गेन आ गया. नाउ वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट मनी. रिमेनिंग शेयर इज टेकन बाय मनी. तो टोटल अमर का शेयर था 2 by 9, जिसमें से छन्नी ने ले लिया 8 by 81. सो रिमेनिंग 10 by 81 इज मनीज गेन. सो गेनिंग रेशियो विल गेट 8 is to 10, दैट इज 4 is to 5. क्लियर? नाउ न्यू रेशियो निकालना है छन्नी का, तो जितना छन्नी का ओल्ड रेशियो है प्लस अमर से जितना मिला वो ऐड कर देंगे. छन्नी का ओल्ड शेयर 4 by 9 है एज पर क्वेश्चन. मनी अमर से कितना लिया? 4/9 ऑफ अमर, जो कि आया था कितना? 4/9 ऑफ अमर, जो कि आया था 8 by 81. सो ऐड किया, सो 9 9s are 81, 9 4s are 36 plus 8 is 44 by 81. सिमिलरली मनी का निकालना है, तो मनी का ओल्ड शेयर प्लस जितना मनी ने अमर से लिया. मनी का ओल्ड शेयर इज 3 by 9 एज पर क्वेश्चन और मनी ने अमर से लिया है गेन. मनी का गेन इज 10 by 81. ऐड कर दिया, सो 9 9 से 81, 9 3 से 27 प्लस 10 दैट इज 37/2. So new ratio of Channi is to Mani comes to 44:37. Clear everyone? Understood? Come on. Let's solve question number 8 of homework section. Akash, Yogesh and Bhavesh were partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 4:3:1. Yogesh retired and gaining ratio between Akash and Bhavesh is 4:5. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. Clear? So in this question we need to calculate new profit sharing ratio. Come on, let's see. Solution number 8. In this question gaining ratio is already given. Right? So let's see. First of all, old ratio between whom is given in the question. Who are the partners? Akash, Yogesh and Bhavesh. So old ratio of Akash is to Yogesh is to Bhavesh. Yes, let's see what is the old ratio of Akash is to Yogesh is to Bhavesh. 4:3:1. Clear everyone? Now, what happened? Who retires? Let's see in the question next. Question number 8. That is Yogesh retired. So Yogesh retired. So his share कितना है योगेश का share 3/8, right? So Yogesh retired, so his share 3/8 will be taken by yes, will be taken by whom? Akash and Bhavesh. Akash and Bhavesh in ratio. क्वेश्चन में दिया है गेनिंग रेशियो क्लियरली कि आकाश और भावेश योगेश के शेयर को किस में डिवाइड करेंगे, किस हिसाब से गेन कर रहे हैं. क्वेश्चन में दिया है इन द रेशियो 4:5. In ratio 4:5. Clear? Once again, picture is clear. You must write down if you get difficulty. First of all, old ratio of Akash, Yogesh and Bhavesh is given 4:3:1. अब भाई योगेश रिटायर हुआ तो योगेश का शेयर है 3/8, जो कि कौन टेक ओवर कर रहा है? आकाश और भावेश टेक ओवर कर रहे हैं. उनका गेनिंग रेशियो दिया है 4:5. दैट मीन्स आकाश कितना गेन करेगा? योगेश के शेयर है 3/8, उसका 4/9, right, will be gained by the Akash. That means 4 3s are 12, 8 9s are 72. So Akash's new share is equal to, अब आकाश का हमें नया शेयर निकालना है तो आकाश का ओल्ड शेयर है 4/9 प्लस हम कर देंगे 12/72. Clear everyone? Understood? That is old share plus gain. Got it everyone? So 72 LCM, 9 8s are 72, 8 4s are 36 plus 12, 6 7 8 3 plus 1 4, 48/72. Now similarly, whose gain we have to find out? Bhavesh's gain. So भावेश कितना मिलेगा? 3/8 का, यानी जो योगेश का शेयर है 3/8, उसका 5/9. Clear everyone? Understood? So that means 5 3s are 15, 8 9s are 72. This will be Bhavesh's gain. So Bhavesh's new share, if you have to calculate, new share is equal to his old share plus gain. Clear everyone? So old share of Bhavesh given in the question is 1/9. 1/8. Sorry, 1/8. Yes, Bhavesh share is 1/8. Clear? प्लस गेन ऑफ भावेश अभी कितना निकाला हमने? 15/72. राइट, एक मिनट, 4 5 6 7 and 8. राइट, सो 1/8 plus 15/72. That means 72 comes LCM. 8 9s are 72. 1 9s are 9 plus 15. Right, 15 plus 9 gives us 24/72. Come on, let me just check for Akash once again. See, आकाश जो होगा वो योगेश का शेयर है 3/8, जिसमें से आकाश को मिलेगा 4/9. सो 4 3 12 8 9 72. आकाश का न्यू शेयर निकाला है, आकाश का ओल्ड शेयर, दैट इज 4/8. राइट, 4 5 6 7 8. So sorry, it must be 4/8 plus 12/72. So 8 9s are 72, 4 9s are हाँ Yes, 8 9s are 72 and 9 4s are 36. Correct. So it's correct. 36 plus 12 gives us 48 by 72. So in this way, new ratio of Kash is to Bhavesh is 48 by 72 is to 24 by 72. That comes how much? 48 is to 24. That comes 24 2 is 2 is to 1. Clear everyone? Understood? So in this way, we completed 5, 6, 7th, 8th question of homework section of study material, where we solved questions related to first, that is question number 5th had simple case where no information is given apart from old ratio and retiring partner's name. So there we find out the gaining ratio by just striking off the ratio of the retiring partner. Remaining ratio is the gaining ratio. Clear? Then solution number 6 had that solution number 6 said that Manohar retired, so his share was taken in the ratio 3 is to 2, right? So in this way, solution number 6 we had, no, in solution number 6, question number 6, it was given, new ratio was also given. So gaining ratio formula, new ratio minus old ratio. Clear? Done. Then solution number 7, that the retiring partner share was taken in some ratio, राइट कि वो 4/9 ले रहा है, शेयर ले रहा है, तो छानीज गेन वॉज 4/9 ऑफ दी अमर्स शेयर. तो मनी का जो गेन होगा वो रिमेनिंग होगा अमर्स शेयर का, तो अमर्स के शेयर में से छन्नी का गेन माइनस किया. फिर गेनिंग रेशियो हमें मिल गया. अब न्यू रेशियो निकालने के लिए छन्नी का ओल्ड शेयर प्लस उसने जितना मनी से लिया है वो ऐड कर दिया. गॉट इट? सॉल्यूशन नंबर 8 क्लियरली स्टेटेड कि जो योगेश था वो रिटायर हुआ और उसका शेयर आकाश और भावेश ने 4:5 में बांट लिया. तो इन दिस वे आकाश का गेन अगर हमें निकालना था तो योगेश का शेयर वॉज 3/8, उसका 4/9 वॉज टेकन बाय आकाश और वो आकाश के ओल्ड शेयर में ऐड कर दिया. क्लियर? सिमिलरली भावेश विल टेक 5/9 ऑफ योगेश शेयर और वो भावेश के शेयर में ऐड कर दीजिए. गॉट इट एवरीवन? So in this way, we completed 5, 6, 7, 8 question of study material of homework section study material. Next lecture will be discussing questions related to goodwill treatment on retirement of partner. Till then, bye-bye, take care and keep practicing.